Hello again, collectors of toys that look like cartoon versions of cartoon cars that happen to be police vehicles. So what we have here is a Choro-Q of the Mitsubishi imiev, or i-miEV. I still don't know how that's pronounced. And there's a bug in there. There's no original packaging, just a beetle and some plastic wrap. I oddly could not find any images of this car with a Japanese police livery. I'm sure it must exist, but it seems like other countries are more than happy to use this little thing to get around the cities, congested cities, you know. So it makes sense to have an electric vehicle. Maybe parking tickets, you know, you probably don't want to be in a high-speed chase against a Ferrari in one of these, but for more pedestrian police work, I suppose it's fine. Alright, well, we got the standard ChoroQ 5 spokes here, chromed out. And what's going on? It looks like there's some details inside there. I think there's actually like a hole there, right? Or it's a little more detail than I'm used to. Although it's not perfectly done. You know, some of these triangles inside are really filled in, some are more open. Okay, well, it's nice to see this printing on the side. It's electric vehicle, it's got a plug, and then we have the text here for the Japanese police. The door handles are nicely molded, as well as the trim for the windows. Silver headlights, this crest here for the Japanese police force. Some rip details there. The side also has the charging port door, and there's actually a lightning sticker or lightning tampo on there. So I've never seen that before. That's pretty cool. Red taillights, and then we have this imiev sticker, and then a nice thick red translucent police light bar there. And you can see the motor, or I can at least see the motor through this smoked glass here. Standard construction, a screw and a tab. No date. I don't know how old this is. And also, although the tires are still soft and rubbery, it's kind of weird. Some of it's slick, some of it's a little more matte. I don't know if this is some chemical or what. Alright. Well, it's okay. Short review, not much to these things. So as compared to just a couple other Mitsubishis today, in particular the stock street version. So stock street version here, I replaced the wheels with some Hot Wheels. I think they're Hot Wheels Real Riders, maybe. I don't know. I got a grab bag of wheels for 1/64 scale cars, and I repainted those green to match, well, coincidentally match this car. And then I guess since there's room, I'll throw up a Mitsubishi Colt with Hot Wheels Real Riders, those Watanabe styles. And again, I painted those with a photo shift green pink actually, so the lip looks a little pink. Alright, we're gonna put up this creepy looking minion. I guess the police car is chasing this minion. Alright, well, my super deformed police car collection is continuing to grow. There seems to be plenty of other castings to collect as well, so if you like this sort of stuff, stay tuned. There'll be some other super deformed police cars to come. Until then, thanks again, and we'll see you in the comments.